Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for creating your very own green sanctuary. Looking to turn your balcony into a green oasis without the fuss? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of low-maintenance balcony plants that can thrive in various conditions. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants are perfect for you. Today, I'm sharing the best low-maintenance plants for your balcony. These plants are not only easy to care for, but also add a touch of nature to your living space. Whether you've got full sun, shade, or something in between, I've got you covered. Let's explore the perfect plants for every type of balcony. First up, let's talk about those sunny balconies. If your balcony gets a lot of direct sunlight, you're in luck, because there are plenty of plants that love soaking up the sun. If your balcony gets a lot of direct sunlight, go for succulents like echeveria and sedum. These little guys love soaking up the rays and hardly need any water, making them perfect for busy plant parents. Succulents are not only resilient, but also come in a variety of shapes and colours, adding a unique touch to your balcony. Another great option is lavender. This plant is a sun lover and brings a delightful fragrance to your space. Not only does it thrive in full sun, but it also smells amazing and keeps those pesky mosquitoes away. Plus, the beautiful purple flowers add a pop of colour to your balcony. Now, for those of you with shady balconies, don't worry, you can still have a lush space. Shade-loving plants can create a serene and cool environment. Ferns are your best friends here. Boston ferns with their feathery fronds are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your shaded balcony. Boston ferns and maidenhair ferns are both lovely and low maintenance. These ferns thrive in the shade and require minimal care, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. They enjoy the shade and add a beautiful, soft texture to your space. Their lush green foliage can transform any balcony into a cozy retreat. Evergreens are a fantastic choice if you want some year-round greenery. These plants stay vibrant and green throughout the seasons. Dwarf conifers like juniper or cypress are perfect for balconies. They stay green all year and need very little care, making them a hassle-free option. They stay green all year and need very little care. Plus, their compact size makes them ideal for small spaces. Plus, they give your balcony a crisp, neat look. Their structured appearance can add a touch of sophistication to your outdoor space. Apartment balcony plants often face space constraints. Think vertical. Vertical gardens are a great way to maximize space and add greenery to your balcony. Use hanging pots or vertical planters with plants like pothos or spider plants. These plants are not only easy to care for, but also add a lush, cascading effect to your balcony. These are super easy to care for and can handle a bit of neglect. Pothos in particular is known for its air purifying qualities, making it a great addition to any home. For balcony railings, trailing plants are the way to go. Try ivy or petunias. These plants spill over the edge beautifully, creating a vibrant cascading effect. They spill over the edge beautifully and create a vibrant cascading effect. The colourful blooms of petunias can brighten up any balcony. Just make sure to secure the pots well if you're high up. Safety first. Got a balcony with little sun? No problem. There are plenty of plants that can thrive in low light conditions. Go for plants like snake plants or ZZ plants. These hardy plants can thrive in low light conditions and require very little water, making them perfect for low maintenance gardening. These hardy plants can thrive in low light conditions and require very little water. Snake plants in particular are known for their air purifying properties. And there you have it, a variety of low maintenance plants that can thrive in different balcony conditions. These are some of the best low maintenance plants for your balcony. With these plants, you can create a beautiful and serene outdoor space with minimal effort. Remember, the key is to choose plants that suit your light conditions in space. Happy planting! Your green oasis is just a few plants away. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant tips. We have plenty of gardening advice and inspiration coming your way. Until next time, keep your thumbs green and your plants happy. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.